Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Crafting Journey with Rebecca and I have an unboxing. Um, there was one diamond painting that kind of got lost in the shuffle and this may be it, but I'm not positive. So let's take a look. You know, with this, all this coronavirus and their New Year celebration in China, I kind of lost track of everything. So some things came, some things did not. Even going back to the Elfster exchange, certain people still haven't received their canvas from that. The person that I bought an Elfster gift for, the last time I checked, last week, it was finally in Chicago in customs. So I don't know what this is. Well, obviously, it's a diamond painting from China. That is very well packaged. In this, they have it put in this bubble wrap. And the last time I did get a painting in this bubble wrap, I was not impressed. But we'll see if things have improved. Now, you're going to know the name of the company because by the time I open all of this and figure out what the image is, I will put it in the thumbnail for you to enjoy. Obviously from AliExpress, or maybe not, obviously. Okay, so it's in this package. We're just going to slide it out. Now, let me take a look and see if I can find the image. It's a 60 by 80. Good Lord. What is this? Okay. I don't know. And why did I order a 60 by 80? That's huge. You'd think I would have learned my lesson by now. No more 60 by 80s. Unless I just really liked the image and I wanted a lot of detail, but I don't know. I'm going to keep this just in case I have to maybe send it back. I don't know. So it just says B11246. It has instructions on how to diamond paint over here. Let's just roll it this way. Okay, I do know what this is. And it is an image I waited a long time for, but good Lord, I didn't know I ordered it that large. Okay. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we get 3 diamond painting kits. 1, 2, 3. And these 2 are different than this one. So this one just has a green boat, some baggies, a little teeny tiny piece of wax, a pen with maybe a 6-placer. These have, this is interesting. Okay, so these 2 are a little different. The green boat is darker, but here's what's different. It comes with these, I guess, so you can kit it up and number the paintings, and a larger piece of wax and baggies, and again a pen with maybe 6 or 7 placer. I like these though. Okay. And the third one is the same as this one. It has the little tabs that you can mark on it. Then we get a cheap pair of tweezers. I don't care for these kind of tweezers. I like the black thicker one. So we do get an inventory sheet that is severely faded. That's the inventory sheet. You can barely read it. Holy moly. I can read it, but it's very, very faded. And there is no image on the inventory sheet. That is interesting. It does, however, have the kit number, which it's helpful that it has the kit number that matches the canvas. And here are, oh Lord, some of the drills, and here are the other drills. So they're all, it's not in one long strip. They're all separately packaged. They're round. Oh yay, a round painting. I haven't done a round painting in a long time. A lot of flesh tones, and I'm going to show you why. It's not X-rated, but it's kind of an erotic picture. Just, you know, when I turn the canvas over, if you're not into erotic pictures, you can sneak a peek and then turn it off. Because you got to peek at it, right? You know, it's like porn when it's like a train wreck. Not porn, but, you know, you can't turn away. Oh, good Lord. What am I going to do with all these boats and kits and good Lord. Okay, we'll look at the drills closer in a minute because we're going to have to do an inventory sheet. An inventory. But let us look at the image. Rebecca, we've been waiting for it. Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if you can tell what it is. Yeah. Oh, wow. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Yes. It's a little risque. It's very, very large. But it's round, so it shouldn't take that long. Well, it's 60 by 80. Who am I kidding? Okay, look at this guy. Ooh, has he got a mustache there? He might have a mustache going on there, but this lady, she's got her boobs showing, you know. Obviously, they're naked, so a lot of flesh tones here, but I hope it turns out good because I love erotic pictures, you know, for the bedroom, that kind of thing. So I just want to look at the glue. It's covered in plastic, which that's interesting. And it's a double-sided adhesive. It may even be some mounting adhesive, but it is very sticky. The symbols are very clear. I'm just looking to see the shape of the canvas. It's in really good condition. Like I said, the last time I got it in that bubble wrap, it wasn't in great condition. Let me show you up close to the camera what we're dealing with. This is not a bad canvas, not at all. All right, here, closer. Let the camera focus. It doesn't want to focus. Maybe if I hold it a little bit farther away. Anyway, it's a very clear canvas. See, farther away, you can see it. Now, I don't know what we're dealing with here. I don't know if that's the blanket or a pillow or something. God, you know, guys, this might even be a poured glue. This is super nice. Oh my gosh, this is really, really nice. And they put a few pieces of plastic over it, like one piece on the bottom, one piece on the top. I am probably going to just hang this up so it stays in good shape. Oh, I'm super impressed. I did not think I was ever going to get this. This is one of those ones on AliExpress where I actually had to dispute and ask for my money back because it was taking so long. There's a little bubble there that we're going to have to get out. But, I mean, like I said, if you've already turned away because it's an erotic picture, I'm sorry. But I didn't want to go, like, show the penis, that kind of erotic. So he's covered up. There's no penis there in this picture. You're seeing some boobs. You're seeing some flesh. But it's just very erotic. And this is a blanket down here. So I'm really liking this picture. Not a lot of color to it, but I think it'll turn out really sexy. Really sexy. So let's look at the drills of our really sexy picture. I'm hesitant to take them all out of the package because, like I said, they are all separate. Oh boy. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an inventory and I will speed it up, the camera. I always can't find the end of these daggone things. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, I just found it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sorry for the crinkling. All right, right. As of now, we're going to speed this thing up because they don't want me to get into it. Good Lord. Well, maybe not yet. Okay, not yet. Holy moly. Okay, here we go. Ready? Now. Okay, everything is here. Now we're going to put it back. We're going to attempt to put it back in order, and I can show you some of the drills as I do it. Like I said, they are all round. Lots of lower numbers. Here is 150, which is sort of a red. 151. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I will show you the pinks. And look at the condition of those drills. Perfectly flat. I don't see any divots. I don't see any knobbly bits there. I don't want to open it, but I like what I'm seeing. So like I said, a lot of flesh tones. Here is the extent of the 310. And it's not going to focus. There, it's focusing. So, of course, it's got quite a few pinks. You know, flesh tones are basically pinks. And I'm trying to keep it in order here. It's not going to stay in order, but I just want to like save myself a little time when I'm kitting up by having it, you know, semi in order here. This is as close as we're going to get to the reds. That's 321. Yeah. And we got 317. I'll show you the interesting ones. Yeah, lots of boring colors that are going to make a beautiful canvas. I love 550. Don't you love 550? That purple. Yeah, I just love that color. One of the 600s, one in the 700s, which is awesome. Here's 814. This makes up a lot of the canvas. This dark brown, I would think. Here are our fleshy colors here. I will show you those. Isn't that beautiful? Got some 823, which is sort of a dark blue. 915. Oh, got to show you the next one. Here, 917. Oh, look how pretty. Yeah, I like that color. And here's our 939. Lots of that. Yeah, that's, you know, more of 939 than there is at 310. Every time I open a diamond painting, it's like, oh, I want to do that one next. I know you guys must be the same way. I know you must be the same way because, but I'm going to finish the Love and Roses first. Now, do I have enough room for all these in here? I think I probably do. Oh gosh, here's some more pretty. Look how pretty. Pink. It's not going to focus. Oh well, you get the idea. Oh, there's another pink I have to show you. Oh gosh, yes. There's, oh, two more pinks that are kind of my favorites. Here's one, 3326. Oh, loving that color. And it doesn't show as pretty on camera as it is in person. 3371. Here is the pink that I just go crazy over. 3607. Oh, I love that pink. And it's not going to focus. Here, hold on. Hold on. Oh. Still doesn't want to focus. Here, come on, focus. There it is. Oh, love those pinks. Love them, love them, love them. Love them, love them, love them. Somehow, by hook or by crook, I'm going to get all these in here. How did I get 223 over here? That goes in that bag. They must have fell out. I don't know. Or I thought I put them in and they slipped out. Oh well. 3778, lots of that color. Yeah, that's the fleshy color. All right, so these are all higher numbers. I'm just gonna stick all these in the bag. So guys, this is it. I'm super impressed with this canvas. It is in really good condition. I'm anxious to do it because I need more paintings like this in my house, in my life, actually. You know, I like to be a little risque every now and then. And if I'm putting it up in the bedroom, I'm the only one that's going to see it, and I will enjoy it. Right now in the bedroom, I have Worlds Away. But you know what? I'll put that somewhere else. Oh, look. They all fit. Oh no, they came tumbling out because the bag broke. That's okay, because we will just put it in here. I'm going to put this in the drills in here because I'm going to hang this painting up. Oh my God, sorry for all that noise. Okay, I will do that after I'm off camera. So sorry. Because that was a lot of crinkling. Guys, thanks for coming on this journey with me, looking at this painting. I'm not going to turn it over again. I will put what it looks like somewhere around here so you can see the full effect. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Take care.